Hi! In front of me is Nokia C21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Nokia. Begin by opening Settings. In them you need to scroll all the way down and choose System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, select Theme, scroll down and choose Show More. Now tap on the best theme for you, in my case this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes instead. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. If you can't find it over here, just tap on one of those sources and select it. Following that, pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and tap on Next. Now adjust brightness by swiping left or right, click on Done, manage key borders, and choose Apply. In order to delete your keyboard, click on the chosen one, tap on this pin icon, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit it though, tap on it, click on this pen one, make your changes, and tap on Save. Then click on Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!